If you're looking to get your M15 Plus Game Stick up and running, here is a quick step-by-step guide to connecting and pairing your controllers. First, gather your equipment. You'll need the M15 Plus console, the small 2.4G wireless receiver dongle, and your wireless controllers. Step 1. Plug the wireless receiver into the USB port on the side of your M15 Plus console. Step 2. Power on the game stick. You should see a light indicator on the device glow, which confirms that it is powered up and ready. Step 3. Press the power button on each of your wireless controllers. You will notice the lights on the gamepads turn on, indicating they are searching for a connection. Step 4. Simply wait a moment. The controllers are designed to pair automatically with the console, so there is no need for manual setup or complicated sync buttons. Finally, Step 5. Test the connection. Use the D-pad or joystick to move through the game menu on your TV screen. If the menu responds, your controllers are successfully linked. If you run into any trouble and the controllers don't pair, try restarting the console, reinserting the USB receiver, or performing a quick reset on the controllers themselves. And that's it. You are ready to play.